Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, today I wanted to come on and I wanted to talk to you about DTF transfers. And if you're currently not in a position where you are ready to purchase a DTF printer, or you don't have access to do the DTF hack, and even with the hack, you're limited to the use of white, so you have to, or white ink, so you have to do the hack with the on a white t-shirt. It's not good to do the DTF hack on dark colors. And so that being the case, I want to show you where I go to here locally. And I'll also show you a place where you can go to online to actually order DTF transfers and you don't have to worry about creating your own. So the first place is called American HTV, which is located here in Dallas, Texas, and it's called American HTV Supply. So when you go to their website, because you can order these online, but when you go to their website, you have this menu area here, and you have DTFs. When you click on that drop down arrow, it's going to give you a slew of different types of DTFs. So you can get autism, black culture, black history, cancer DTFs, Christmas DTFs. Hey, get a jump start on the Christmas DTFs. And then you have Down syndrome, so on and so forth. So when you click on them, let's go to the autism DTFs. It's going to show you all of the ready-made DTFs that they have available that you can purchase. And it's going to list the price there. Okay. And this depends on your sizing. Okay. So when you click on choose options, all right, so here we go. So it shows you here, apparently there's only one option for this one, so it's actually $3. And then they also offer where you can use Shop Pay for those of you that have a Shop Pay account. But you can get for the 11-inch wide, it's $3. The youth 9-inch wide, if I select that, then it's $2.75. And if you get the pocket size, I'm pretty sure that is the $1.50. So let's take a look. Yes, it is. Okay, so you have the different sizes: 11 inches wide, youth 9 inches wide, and then pocket 3 inches wide. So you have a variety of different prices based on the sizing. Okay, so you can see there's just like a slew of DTFs that are ready made, that all you have to do is just find the shirt, cotton, polyester, whatever your choice is, and order these, get them in the mail, iron them on your t-shirts, and go on about your business. You don't have to worry about the DTF hack. You don't have to worry about a DTF printer because those are a little bit on the pricey side, or DTF maintenance or any of that kind of stuff. In the meantime and in between time, you can come to American HTV Supply and look for your DTFs. Let's try another area. So let's go down to nurse DTFs. All right, here we have the different nurse DTFs, and again, your pricing is going to be based on the size that you choose. Okay, and again, guys, all you do is take these and iron them directly onto your t-shirt. And it doesn't matter if it's a cotton t-shirt, polyester t-shirt, in less than 30 seconds, you're going to have a t-shirt that's ready to go. Okay. What I find with these DTF transfers is that they are a cold peel. So you're going to heat press them on. I've used my heat press. I'm pretty sure you can use, um, Like if you have the Cricut like heat press, I'm pretty sure that will work as well. I'm not really sure about an iron, guys. I've never tried that. I don't want to waste a DTF transfer by using that. I might try it one day with like a pocket size. It's only $1.50, but most of the time I don't even look at those when I'm in the store because I like the big 11-inch size. Um, but so there we have the different nurse ones, and they have a slew that you can actually choose from. So you can see it goes up to at least 5 pages of nurse DTFs. Okay, already ready made, ready to go. Okay, and then if you don't find anything here that you want, they also have custom DTFs. So if you're local here in Dallas, Texas, you can walk in and you can request a custom DTF. Now, I've never did the custom DTFs, um, so that would be new to me, for me to do the custom DTF. I have thought about it, but they show you here that for the custom DTF, they range from anywhere from $3 to $70.75. And then they give you the sizing that you can choose from based on where you're going to be placing your DTF. Um, and they tell you, give you some information here. And then if you need a specific size, then you can select in the reference range, and then what transfer size you want. The setup fee is $5. Do you want them to pre-cut them or leave them on the roll? And there's an extra charge for that. Do you want them to remove the background? I would say if you're going to have them to do a custom transfer for you, to go to remove BG and remove the background yourself before submitting the image to them, instead of having them to remove an image for you for $10. So you can go to remove.bg.com and remove a background yourself. And then there's all types of software out there where you can do your color changes and all that type stuff. But I would highly recommend that you do this kind of stuff on your own. Even with Remove BG, there's a lot of color changing that you can do with the backgrounds and replacing backgrounds and things like that. So try that out, guys. And then if you want them to rush it, there's a fee for that. So you want to kind of look at this as a la carte, guys. But this is where you'll choose the file, upload it. It must be in PNG, PDF, JPG, or SVG format. And then you tell them how many you want and add it to the cart, and then you go from there. Okay. So again, custom DTFs range from anywhere from $3 to $77.75. And yeah, so this is one place. There's also online, and sometimes I don't get this right, but let me see if I can figure it out here because I've not used it very often. Ba-da-da-da. I don't want to register for anything. Y'all, once I finish this video, I'm going to order me a new computer because I can't take this anymore. I'm overdue for a computer, a new one. And so I'm going to bite the bullet and go ahead and order it. Let's do that. All right, so here's my craft source. And with my craft source, guys, this is online. You can actually order DTFs also. So you can direct to film transfers, or you can do a custom direct to film. So this is where you supply your image that you want them, your image or images, and they can do that for you. Now, one of the things I like about my craft source is that with my craft source, you can actually order what they call a gang sheet. And so you can see that, let's see here, custom. And that's where you're going to have, you can upload all of the different DTF transfers or DTF images that you want to include. And one day I will actually do this and I will tape it minus my payment method information. But you can go on here. Let's do holiday. So this one is you're selecting from pre-made DTFs. So you can see here. All right, guys. As I was saying, you can actually This is kind of set up like the American HTV, where you can choose your option and then your sizing will change. You can also click this link on how to use, and it tells you how to use these DTF transfers. But you can order these um, or one or 10 or however many you prefer to order. And you can order, like I said, let me see if I can figure it out again. I went in here before. Let's see. The custom direct to film transfers, just like with American HTV. Looks like they have a sale on Puff Vinyl. Okay, there it comes, finally. Okay, I don't know why it's taking me to this, but that's another option, guys. Besides the American HTV, you can come and check out mycraftsource.com as well. Now, like I said, if you're local in Dallas, Texas, you can walk into American HTV and you can purchase your DTFs directly from, there instead of going through trying to have them shipped to you and all that good stuff. But I do get a lot of questions about where do you get your DTF transfers, and people not understand what I'm saying when I say I'm using a pre-made or I used a pre-made DTF transfer. So I want to take this time to come on and explain that to you. All right. And let me see if I can go here before I get cut off again, because I need a new computer and I'm running out of storage space on this computer. So every chance it gets, it shuts me down and say that I don't have enough space. And I'm sick of it. All right, so on my YouTube channel, I'm going to show you guys. Oh. All right, so on my YouTube channel, guys, I'm going to show you. Mm-mm-mm. I thought I had one on here. Homely, homely, homely. Okay, let's look at my videos. Okay, let's see. Looks like I haven't uploaded any, but I do have some of the DTFs that I purchased from there that I have actually uploaded. Let me see if I can find it on my Facebook really quick for you. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, here's one. This is one that I went into the store and purchased directly from American HTV. And you can see I put it on a red shirt, and all I had to do was just iron it on and then allow it to do a cool peel, and then reheat it again after you take off that plastic sheet. Then just press it again for about 10 seconds and you're good to go. So, like I said, less than 30 seconds, you got a shirt ready made for those of you that don't have a DTF printer or that don't want or can't try the DTF hack. Okay, so you're not limited with these DTF transfers, is basically what I'm trying to say. So that is one of them, and then this is another one, Beach Vibes. These are some of the DTF prints that I got from American HTV. Okay, cool little bear. Summer Eve with the nails, and I love you latte, and then your black Betty Boop. So yeah, so check it out, guys. That's all I have for you right now. Like I said, when I get ready to order a gang sheet from my craft source, because I'll videotape that and let you guys see it so you can see how easy it is. Okay, and those gang sheets, I think they run about $35, $36. But you can either upload the images that you want to have on a gang sheet, or you can do the pre-made DTF images that are already there to make up your gang sheet. All right. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. And if you guys are currently following me via Facebook, I want to thank you guys so much for joining my Facebook group. If you're not a member of my Facebook group and you would like to join, I will link my, um, I will put the link in the description of this video of how to access my Facebook group. And then all you have to do is click on it and agree to the Facebook group rules, and we'll get you in. And then if you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to thank you guys so much for following me via YouTube and joining or subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't and you like my method of teaching, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I teach on all types of crafts, guys, not just DTF stuff, but you can see I have over 481 videos. I have over 481. I have 481 video tutorials. That's what I was trying to say on my YouTube channel, and I have a playlist where I try to break up things to make it easier for you to find things on my channel. All right, guys. That's my story. I'm sticking to it, and you guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have an amazing day. Bye.